Okay, so just a couple press 101s. When you're pressing hair and you want to get close to the scalp, you want to hold the hair out 90 degrees directly from where it grows. If you don't know what 90 degrees is, just take like your comb or the section of hair and just hold it straight out. Wherever it is on the head, 90 degrees straight out from where it grows. So I'm holding it out at 90, sticking the iron in close to the scalp without burning her. I'm going to take a comb, putting it right under my iron and coming down. Now here's the thing. Once I drop that section of hair, I don't go back in and comb or nothing. I leave it just like that because I want it to look just like that once it cools off and she's ready to be styled out. If I was to comb through it, depending on the size of the comb I'm using, I can leave teeth prints in her hair, and I don't want to do that. Again, 90 degrees out from where the hair grows. Close as I can to the scalp, pulling out. Comb under the barrel of the iron. Okay, so that is not the iron that I really want to press her hair with. I want to press her hair with a ceramic iron, a true ceramic iron, which has ceramic plates and a ceramic heating element on the inside because of the negative ions. The negative ions seal the cuticle down on the hair, nice and tight, and everybody knows a nice and tight cuticle leaves a healthy looking hair with a natural shine. Now I'm using the science of the iron, but the science of the product that I'm using. The product that I'm using will provide a nice shine on her hair, so why not use a true ceramic iron to seal the cuticle down directly over that product, seal it in, and there I have her hair that I did not have to add any additional oils to. Negative ions creates a nice, tight, shut cuticle, which gives you the look of nice, healthy hair, shiny hair. The product that I'm using in her hair provides shine in her hair, so I'm locking that product into her hair by shutting down the cuticle over the product with the true ceramic iron.